Magandang gabi po sa inyo mga Alexander Lexter Jules. Our Duncan Girl Bel Mariano ay may mga photos pong naipost dito kasama ang Dunkin Donuts mga kaibigan. Ganda naman. Which is hashtag Bel Mariano character would you follow, unfollow, unblock. Hashtag 4 sisters before the wedding. Hashtag lovers colorblind. Hashtag an inconvenient love. Which character would you follow, unfollow, unblock? Ako hindi ko napanood ni isa dyan mga kaibigan kasi wala pa ako sa era noon na sinusundan ang bawat kilos ng isang Bel Mariano. So if you want me to choose, maybe I want to choose Gabby. Who is Gabby? 4 sisters before the wedding. Maybe Gabby, and then love is colorblind, and last is inconvenient love. Pero kung kilig ang hanap natin, dun tayo sa an inconvenient love. Kasi kasama ni Bel Mariano dyan, si Donnie Pangilinan. Tribune Live Philippines one day ago is saying, Bel Mariano graced the Mirata Philippines launch at Green Hills. What a gorgeous lady. PJ Pascual ang photo na yun. Another big hug for Bel Mariano. Focus ka na muna sa work and family. I love you, Bel. Nandito lang kami. Di ka namin iiwanan. Uy, my. Dito din, sabi ni Darla, miss you, Bel Mariano. Can't wait to watch, meet, greet, and buy. See you soon sa premiere night. Yan po ay pinost niya po ang pictures niya with Bel Mariano when Bel Mariano was recording her part sa Christmas song na para sa Christmas 2025 mga kaibigan. Aziel Rich is saying unexpected but such a memorable moment. Sabi, got the chance to see one of the greatest actresses of her generation, Bel Mariano. I'm truly a fan. She's approachable, simple, and effortlessly beautiful, even without makeup. Forever grateful for this picture with her. Ayan po. So, ayan po, ay ipinost po niya ang picture niya with Miss Bel Mariano, mga kaibigan. Ayan, kasing height po sila dyan. And yes, sabi naman ng isa, so yes, huge thanks everyone na dumalo daw at nagpakita at nagbigay ng suporta para sa isang Bel Mariano sa kanyang event kanina sa Dunkin Donuts mga kaibigan. Pretty, niyakap daw siya. Nako, I love you. Sobrang saya niya nang makita ang isang Bel Mariano sa event kaninang ng Dunkin Donuts. So, narito po ang mga video on Bel Mariano sa kanyang event. Mga kaibigan, let's go and watch this.
I had the time of
Kung si Bel Mariano po ay busy sa kanyang Dunkin' Donuts event, mga kaibigan, ay busy din po si Donnie Pangilinan sa kanyang coffee. Ano ba yan? Business mo ba yan, Donnie? Let's go and watch this.
What do you think? What is up, guys? It's Donnie Pangilinan. Join me as I spend the day with a pickup coffee here. Yes, so here we're gonna build one of our best sellers. Let's test our skills. This is for your Cafe Castilla. Wait, we got it. So same time? Yep, go for it. Now let's shake it with the sealed cup. We gotta dance a bit. Now, moment of truth. What do you think? It really has that premium taste. And it has that rich coffee flavor. Dude, this will definitely be my next go-to. So for everyone watching, it's better espresso, and you know what to do. Try it out for yourselves. You're gonna love it.
Pick up coffee.
Ayan, pick up coffee with Mr. Donnie Pangilinan. Aba, table tennis for these two. This time, Bryzel using dumbbell in this caption. Si Coach Bryzel yung kasama nila nag-tennis last time sa Casa Donato with Kuya RJ. So may pa table tennis daw with Donnie Pangilinan at yan ang napabalitang kasama daw dyan si Aya, mga kaibigan. Pero that was just a chismis and wala naman pong proof. Pero ayan, may bago po kasi the chika is ang cute magkwento ni Donnie Pangilinan. So forgive, na cute talaga siya when it is about Roja. Tell us about the story, Donnie. Quad is saying Roja premieres on November 21 in Netflix, November 22 on Awant, November 24 on Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live A to Z, and TV5, mga kapamilya. So merong event po si Donnie and Kyle Echari mga kaibigan kanina. Haba? And hahanapin natin ang mga video na kung saan i-share nila kung ano ang storya ng Roja.
With that kind of alam nila na magkaibigan ka. So, having to come up with that chemistry of brothers or people na share a lot of
Head chef.
Tama, utos ka at huwag mawawala ito.
Na may gustong takasan.
Bukas ng umaga, alis na ako.
Ba't ikaw umalis ka?
Siguro ba talaga kailangan yung galing mo sa akin? 6 years pa.
Kung hindi ka nagsumbong, walang masama mangyayari.
Nagsumbong? Sino nagsabi niya?
Kaya unang tumayo sa pamilyang to!
In the face of chaos,
Iyan, Rojo! Hawak namin ang nanay at tatay mo!
will he survive?
Marami sila. Maraming baril. Kailangan pag-isipan natin ng maigi ito.
Walang mga tao nakasalalay dito. Yung ang mama at papa ko. Hindi ako aalis na wala si mama at papa.
Si Donnie Pangilinan bilang si Liam Sa